Retirement hit me a lot harder than I expected, not because I'd lost my job, but because I'd lost my people. It turns out you don't need a crisis to feel alone. Sometimes all it takes is a counter full of empty. I learned this the hard way. When I had to retire, all the people that I'd been seeing on a daily basis, sharing stories with, having lunch with, and building relationships, they were all gone. No more colleagues, no more team, no regular check ins, and no daily conversations. Other than a few friends that I'd known for decades, suddenly I was without a tribe completely. I woke up one morning and realized it was really quiet around here, too quiet. For me, it was worse because my wife was still working. So I could go all day long and not speak to anyone except our dog, Lily. Now, we often think that loneliness means having no friends, but the real pain of loneliness comes from not feeling known. You can be surrounded by people and still feel completely isolated because they could be anonymous faces and bodies, not real people. Retirement strips away the built in community at work. And if you're not careful, it doesn't get replaced, it just vanishes. Now, just staying busy doesn't cut it. Activity is not connection. Errands, appointments, hobbies, they keep you moving, but not necessarily connected. What we really crave as human beings, something that is absolutely wired into us, is being seen, understood, and valued. And it's harder to find that at this stage of life unless you're being very intentional about it. Now, there was one moment that changed everything for me. Yeah, that's when I realized that this wasn't a me problem, it was a we problem. I started Retirement Uprising to create what I couldn't find elsewhere. And because I knew that if I was struggling to find it, other people probably were too. Retirement Uprising is a place where people get together and start rebuilding their next chapter and not have to do it alone. I put together a one-page guide called Find Your Tribe After 55. It's not a lecture, it's a gentle nudge. Think of it as 5 ways to connect and show up and find the kind of people that make you feel alive again. Click in the comments below and type the word together in the messages there, and I will personally DM you a free copy of the Find Your Tribe After 55 worksheet. What's the hardest part of staying connected after retiring? That's what my free gift is all about. Type together below and let's start a better conversation. I'm John Hagerman. I'm the founder of Retirement Uprising. Subscribe if you're ready to build something that actually feels like a life again and not just a to-do list in sweatpants. Thank you.